Hello, welcome back to Science World in my channel. Now we are going to learn animal body parts. Have you ever been to the zoo? Some animals they should live in a wild nature. The zoo has saved and taken care of them for conservation and education. Come on, let's explore the zoo. All animals have similar body parts such as a head, a pair of eyes, and a mouth. So, how are they different? Different body parts enable animals to move in different ways. Let's take a look one by one. All animals have head. Just like an elephant, it has a head, a pair of eyes, and a mouth. But elephant also has a trunk to eat, to bath, and to drink. Elephant also has tusks, just like a walrus. Some animals have horns on their head, like a cow, goat, and buffalo. They use their horns to defend themselves from other animals. Moose also has big horns, named antlers. Jackrabbit keeps cool with its ears. Bird has a mouth called beak. On fish's head, there are gills to breathe. All animals also have body. Leopard and giraffe with the spots. Tiger and zebra with the stripes. Bear and cat with their fur. Snail has shell to protect itself from danger. Camel stores fats in its humps. Different body parts enable animals to move in different ways. Horse, cat, dog, and many more have 4 legs to walk and run. On their legs, horse has hooves, and cat and dog have paws and claws. Ducks have webbed feet to swim in the pond. Birds have wings to fly, claws to land to the tree's branches. Crabs has claws. Monkeys swing from tree to tree with their arms and tail. Fish has fins and tail to swim. Sea turtle swims with its flippers. Octopus moves around the sea with its tentacles. Again, there are many different animals and they all are different, but there are the similarities. All animals have head, a pair of eyes, and a mouth. Different body parts enable animals to move in different ways. See you in the next topic.